Hey, in this episode of Doc's Boost, we're going to talk about how much I hated that X-pipe and what I did to get rid of it. So let's get started. We're here at Performance Muffler, and we're going to get something done about that X-pipe I hate. The cats have already broken loose. And we're going to get a custom H-pipe built. And so they're just pulling the car around now, and they're going to get to work on it real quick. Still sounds really awesome. So while they're planning the strategy, I'm just telling you that I just had that X-pipe off a couple weeks ago to fix that water leak, and I tell you what, it was a pain in the ass. So they're going to do a custom H-pipe, flanged to the header, and some super flow cats that are going in there, and of course the X pipe is going and the H pipe is going to be in its place. So that's what we're here for.
It'd be like these ones.
Yeah.
They'll have like a little angle piece off of it though instead of straight. But that just helps keep it up and keep it higher up off the ground.
All right.
Basically the same exact thing. It's just probably a little bit higher quality than what's on there now. So, but yeah, they're just like a metallic core, spun core.
Well, good, good. And then we're going to go with something like this for the flange at the header.
On the header, yes. So it's just easier for you to take it off if you have to. Or
yeah, that's what I want. I want to be able to take it off and put it on without having to fight it.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know, and it's really a pain in the ass.
Most guys fight those toys.
Yeah. This is the stuff to use, according to the professionals, for all the nuts, bolts, clamps, and slip joints. Easy peasy so far. Boy, I know it was a bitch for me to get them off.
But they'll be angled up just slightly, so it kind of cheats the angle a little bit. Just so it can actually, just so when we put the cat on there, the cat has to angle up rather than the whole cat sitting right here flat.
Okay.
Scraping the ground. You angle it up just slightly, it angles the cat up, which brings that cat body off.
Okay. So that'll work.
That'll get you your clearance you're looking for.
The next step is attaching the flanges.
So we got the flanges on. They're nice and bolted on. They're not torqued down yet because I like to be able to put the cats on to see where they're going to sit, then torque them down. And those cats are going to come out, sit right about here, and those cats have a pre-bend in them. So you only have to have one bend coming into these, and the H-pipe will sit right about there, right about in the midsection there.
Oh, okay.
This will make it a lot easier to take it off. Just
perfect.
3 bolts on each side, and then just unbolt that, and you can just slide it all off. So.
Oh yeah.
It'll be nice and flush, just a small little cat, nothing crazy. Positioning
that cat in there now, and it's going to give me enough clearance to eliminate all the frustration that I was having with that X-pipe, and that's cats scraping on my driveway and every driveway I went to, and all the speed bumps. I mean, she was driving me insane, so this is going to eliminate a lot of it. I never scraped on the headers, and these things do not protrude down below the header. So this one is welding the flange to the cat from the inside perspective. That looks good already. I like the way they tip up. It's going to stay out of the way. Yeah, that's going to work out really well.
Should be nice.
Cut a few pieces of pipe to size. Making the pipes fit, as easy as that. Try doing that on your back, under the car, at home.
And this, the 3-inch that I'm going to use to make the H-pipe go over that, there'll be a weld there.
Oh, okay, cool. Yep. Perfect. That looks pretty good. All right.
I just got to make the bend.
Cut a few pieces of pipe to size, getting ready for bending and making that H pipe. I think you're going to do it on one shot, the first shot.
Oh, we'll see. That was before, so.
That's pretty fucking close, man.
Probably 45.
And you just got to make a pair that look exactly alike, right?
Yeah. Close.
What do you think, boss? You got it? Yeah, now let's watch you shrink it. He's going to go into there and do some welding right now. He's got it in the position that he wants. So we're getting pretty close now. We got the two pipes connecting the cats to the exhaust pipe. Maintain a good gap right here. One right here. This gap has always been a little bit of a problem, so we got a good space here. And after we get done, after Cole gets done welding those pieces in place, then we just have to put the H piece in there. And we'll be golden. Right, here we are. We've got the cats in place. We got the pipes connected. We are almost done. And it's going to be a whole lot easier to take apart when we have to take it down to do any kind of transmission repair, clutch repair, whatever the deal is. With that coming out, this will be a lot easier to come off than that mess right there. I am so happy and so excited that this is happening. Each pipe is not welded completely in place, but there it is. As we get ready to connect the H connection between the two pipes, we got to poke holes in the existing pipe, and that's what Cole's doing right now. There's the H pipe connection. Right now he's putting in the holes for the sensors, the O2 sensors. Where's one O2 sensor hole and a second O2 sensor hole. Time to weld the O2 sensor ports in place. And those are the two O2 sensor ports now plugged in just ahead of the H connection, and that about wraps it up. There it is. We are all set. There we go. You gotta love it. Hey, and let's face it, you gotta admit, that's a great sound. And let's keep this excitement going. I got a video picked out for you right down there. Click on that. I'll see you in that video in just a moment, and thanks for watching.